everyone. I am already known to the CDT students, haven't I? Yeah. I taught them a course for the last 2 years, and I'm going to do this again, I believe. Here is a list of my research. This is not done by alone, with my PhD students team and researchers. Wave and tidal energy resource modeling. We use several numerical models to calculate and predict resources from both waves and tides. So from which you could work out the power available at a particular site. And I also work on wave and tidal energy device arrays modeling. So if you have more than one device, so you want to understand how the devices interact with the environment and between them. So I work on that. I think I'm also good in physical modeling of waves and currents from my earlier research from PhD to postdoc. This is all on physical modeling of waves and currents. So I continue to do that. I've done work on floating wind turbine modeling, both numerical and physical modeling. And the work on estimation of waves and current loading and different offshore and coastal structures, I do that. Mooring analysis, that is another interest of mine, even though I haven't seriously worked on that, but from my master's degree, I'm very much interested in mooring analysis. If any of you are interested in taking a PhD on mooring, would be happy to take a student. And conventional breakwaters, there is something called a semicircular breakwaters, which we have done with some work with a PhD student, which the performance of the breakwater was much better than conventional breakwaters. You can save space and cost. So that sort of work was done. And ocean wave statistical analysis, this is a long-term research I continue to do. And extreme wave analysis, if you want to design your structures for 25 years or 50 years, then you need to understand the extreme waves and currents. Possibly it is mostly to do with waves. How the impact of extreme waves on your design should be. So I do that. And there is some images of from my research. So you have the wave power prediction for Scotland, and I don't know what happened here, and the tidal resource modeling for Pentland and Orkney waters. And here is an image from physical modeling of wind turbine and the numerical modeling, and another image from the space optimization between arrays of devices, the worst and the best scenarios, and the research continues. Thank you. Okay.
This production is brought to you by the University of Edinburgh.